I was talking to my canning buddies, you know, Lisa from Sutton's Day, Linda from Linda's Pantry, Tuliloo Creates, Jenny Goff, and Darcy from Purposeful Pantry. And anyway, all of us gals were talking, and they all use 4 jars. And they said, you gotta try their lids. They're really great, and it's a great company. And you know, I've always used Ball lids. I mean, that's what my mother used. That's what I use. You know, Ball was right aligned with Canning, right? But Ball is not the same company as it used to be either. It got bought out, and you know, they didn't help us too much during the pandemic because we couldn't find those lids, right? So I thought, I got contacted by 4 jars, and I thought, why not? Let me try it, and let me show you what they sent me. So look what they sent me. 12 lids and bands. Here's 100 wide mouth lids. Here is 12 lids and regular mouth bands. And here, 100 small mouth lids, you know, whole sleeve. And then, these are so cute. Let me open it up. Isn't that nice? Yeah, it says 4 jars, always pops. Canning is easier with 4 jars. Let's see what the other one is. This is the same, only in gray. Always pops. Let's hope it does. But these towels are really nice. Now, I mean, isn't that great? Now, my understanding is this company was founded by American citizens, but they emigrated from the Ukraine, and they're housed in Florida. And, you know, they pay American taxes and everything with their company, right? The product is made in China, full disclosure. But then, if you look around your kitchen and your house, many products are made in China. They would like to bring the processing, manufacturing processing into the United States, and they hope to someday do that. But anyway, I wanted to be upfront. Now, since I've never tried them before, I thought I'd try a real simple canning recipe. I just happen to have 5 pounds of just picked sweet, I was going to say sweet cherries. No, they're not. 5 pounds of just picked sour cherries, right? The kind that are great for making pies and tarts. And sometimes I can them up in a pie filling, but I thought, nah, I'm just going to be kind of lazy today and do it real simple. It is a raw pack, and we are just putting these cherries in a jar with some boiling water and then canning them. I mean, how simple can that be? And then whenever I want to make a recipe, I can use these, and I can make a pie if I want, but I just will add the other ingredients. I just thought this might be easy and fast, and you know, I worked all day, so I don't really want to stay in the kitchen that long. I wanted to get this done as fast as I could. So come along with me while we raw pack sour cherries. So we want about 1/2 cup of boiling water here. So I'm going to consider that about just a little tiny bit more. There we go. We're going to put that in each jar, and these jars are hot. You don't want to necessarily put boiling water in cold jars. There we go. Now we're ready for the next step. We're going to want to add our cherries. And nice and so first, of course, you got to pit them. Luckily, where I can pick my cherries, they pit them for you, which is really nice. Now these have been washed and drained well. We're going to put them in our jars. And I only have about 5 pounds, so I don't think it's going to make too much. want a 1/2 inch space, so we're going to add some more water in here. There we go. Add some more water here. Like I said, we want a 1/2 inch head space. So watch how much we're adding here. Is that about right? Maybe just a little more. There we go. Yeah, that's good enough right there. So then we're making sure we don't have any little air pockets, right? Do this. And then wipe your rim well. And put on our new 4-jar lid. And finger tighten. That's it. I'll be back when I do the rest of them. So here's my jars. My 5 pounds made 2 quarts and 1 pint. And now we're going to put them in our boiling water in our Waterbath canner. So here they are, all 3 jars in the boiling water bath canner. And now we're going to put on our lid. So we're going to process these pints and quarts for 25 minutes. If you're up to 1,000 feet, but you got to do it for 30 minutes between 1,001 and 3,000 feet, 35 minutes between 3,001 and 6,000 feet, and 40 minutes after 6,001 feet. So we'll be back in 25 minutes. Okay, our timer went off. I'll turn this off. Take off our top. And then we're just going to wait 5 minutes before we pull out our jars. So waiting the 5 minutes to take out the jars, but you can see that the water is a little pink. So obviously we've had some seepage here, but we followed the instructions. It was a 1/2 inch headspace. So hopefully everything will be fine. And they sealed successfully. Let me show them to you. Don't they look beautiful? Such a brilliant red color. Tomorrow I'll take the ring off and I'll label on the top sour cherries and the date and wash the outside of the jar, and then these are going to go in my pantry. And potluck's coming up or something with the family and I need a dessert, I can just take these off my shelf and I can use these cherries in any way I want, not just make a pie or tart. So it's so simple doing cherries this way, and I really want to thank 4 Jars because they sent me these and I was impressed. I mean, the girls are right. These are great lids, and this is going to be my go-to from now on. And 4 Jars seems to be a great company to work with. Very friendly, very good about customer service. And you know what? For many companies now, it seems, post-pandemic, customer service is dead. And that is not true for this company. Now, you can order a whole sleeve, as they call it, 100 lids. And look at the prices for the small mouth 100 lid sleeve. And then here's the price for the 100 lid large mouth. And you know, I think the pandemic has taught us to make sure we have enough supply for canning. None of us want to run out again. So purchasing some of these sleeves is a great idea, so you have the lids on hand when you need them. And if you like, there is an affiliate link below. And if you use the link below this video or in the pinned comment and you put in the discount code PREPPER10, that's PREPPER 10, you can receive an additional 10% discount. So I hope you check them out, and I hope you are canning. As always, please subscribe and share the knowledge. Thank you.